Hi, this video is gonna be about Jessica, who just told me she just found what she wants to do for her life as a graphic designer student. So here are gonna be my answers. Active constructive. Jessica, that is so interesting. How did you find out? That is so cool. And I think you're gonna do great because your drawings are amazing. And I always like how you talk about books and what you thought the essence of them were. I think you're gonna do really good. Passive constructive. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's good. Active destructive. What? Do you think you can really do that? Because I've seen your drawings and I don't really like them. You could try something else, right? I mean, if you fail, you just waste a lot of money in your career. So, passive destructive. Did anyone call me today? Okay.